Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any eye.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have sort of a different video for you guys, okay? We have a spin the wheel video, and on this wheel we have different foods written on there that we're gonna try. Now these foods are not foods that you're used to seeing together. However, we're gonna put them together and try them today, okay? So y'all won't even know what the foods are because I'm pretty sure my handwriting ain't that great, so y'all probably can't read it. So we gonna spin and then we gonna choose, okay? All right, so who's gonna go first? I was gonna say rock, paper, scissors, but I'll let him go. All right, come on. Take a spin. And he has yogurt with ketchup. So let's find it. Nope, that's not yogurt. Right here, we got strawberry yogurt with ketchup on top.
Guys, are you kidding me?
Ketchup. So you only need to take a small taste, okay? I'm not gonna do that to you, just a small taste. So we get a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of yogurt, like that. So you know he's young. I'm not gonna do him too bad. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's good.
You want to taste? You want to try more? This is good.
Yeah, it's good.
Step it up a little more, TJ. Show him. There you go. TJ said it's good. I don't know about that, but he said it's good.
I get a point.
Okay.
It's good.
All right. My turn. You hold it.
Did you let it go read?
Nope, we already did that, so we can't do that one again. Yogurt and ketchup.
What do you need on?
Chips and ketchup.
Ketchup and
Chips and ketchup.
Are you
So
kidding me?
here
Okay,
we
let
have
me
some Doritos with ketchup.
Okay, let me have. Okay. Wait. This
You have to give it to me so I can eat it.
Okay.
Nah, TJ,
That's
nah.
a little scoop. You
No,
said a
I
little
need her.
scoop.
TJ gave me this. Nah, I need more than that. So
No.
I'm gonna fold that spoon. So okay,
No.
eat ish.
No,
I'm gonna try that thing.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. Is it good?
It tastes exactly how y'all would expect chips and ketchup today. Ain't bad though. That's not bad. All right, TJ,
My turn.
your turn again. Take a spin.
Oh, no.
TJ, why do you like yogurt and ketchup so much? Go again.
Okay.
All right, come on.
Oh. Let me start again. Oh, okay. Blue.
Yogurt and chips.
Yogurt and chips.
Yogurt and chips.
Okay, what that yogurt and
Right
chips?
here.
You sure I didn't like this?
You want me to get it for you?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I didn't show y'all. There you go. Yogurt and chips. Listen, nah. No, I know it's not that good. I want
a point.
So that tasted good? Not gonna lie, y'all. I thought I was gonna get him with this stuff. So we got 5 more things left to go. Oh no, it's my spin. Alright,
It's mine. I won first.
let's see. What is with the yogurt and ketchup stuff?
Wait.
You already did that. Yogurt and chips. One more time. Come on. No!
Oh, stop!
hold on.
Come on.
All right, y'all. So I think it's good right now. Let's try again. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Man. Come on.
You want me to help you?
Listen. Nah, cause see what's gonna happen? This yogurt and this stuff. So we have ice cream and cheese.
Ice cream cheese.
Ice cream and cheese.
Okay, I'm gonna find that one. Ice cream cheese.
Thank you.
Okay, are you sure? I'm gonna feed you it. I'm gonna feed you it.
I don't think
I'm gonna feed you it.
it's
Please.
vanilla ice cream with shredded cheese in it. It's gonna be hard to see this one. It's gonna be
Really?
hard, yeah.
Please.
Huh? No, I'm gonna get it.
Well,
It's not for you, it's for me.
yeah.
Okay. Let me put some more on there because I'm not gonna cheat.
Oh, guys. Okay, like and subscribe if this one's good. I know if this one's good.
That's right.
Is it good? No?
It's weird,
Oh, yeah.
but it's not bad.
Uh-uh.
No hater. It's weird, but it's not bad.
You lost the point.
That's no, I didn't. I ate it. The sweet and the salty together, you would think that'd be nasty,
But,
but it's not bad.
Mama, if you won't like it, you don't win a point.
I never said I didn't like it. Cheater. Come, your turn. I hope it doesn't land on that same stuff anymore. And if it does, I know what you're gonna try next.
Come on, come on.
Come on. Don't stop on one of those. Keep on, keep on. Wait.
Oh, no.
No, we already did yogurt and chips. Little one. Don't do it too hard. Little spin. There you go.
Okay, that's it.
I'm gonna slow this thing down because it's taking too long. Keep going. Chocolate with ketchup.
Chocolate with ketchup?
Chocolate with ketchup. I tried to slow it down a little bit so it wouldn't go on something we already did.
Is that chocolate ketchup?
Chocolate with ketchup. It has M&Ms, chocolate M&Ms in ketchup.
Okay, you sure like this, fans.
No, TJ, stop lying. Stop lying. It's not good. TJ cheating. TJ, you know you don't like it. Did it taste good? No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
Listen, okay, y'all, we got 3 more to go.
I want a point.
Come on. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna slow this thing down to catch it over on the side. Chocolate.
Chocolate ketchup. Chocolate.
No, chocolate with cheese.
Chocolate cheese.
I sure slowed it down at the wrong spot. So, in here I have some mint caramel chocolate thing mixed with cheese. So,
I'm gonna feed you it. I'm gonna feed you it.
and it's dark chocolate too. No, I'll do it myself.
Okay, let me. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good?
I can't swallow this. I can't swallow this one.
Mama
No,
lost.
that tastes disgusting.
Yeah, Mama lost.
No, I didn't. I
Yes,
didn't.
you did.
Cause you might just. Nah, cause you might just lose.
No, I will not. I like.
No, stop being a hater.
I'm not a hater. I'm not a hater.
All right, come on. We got 2 more to go. All right, let's see what it's gonna be. Let's see what it's gonna be. Come on, come on, come on. Not something we did already. Come on.
No, no, no. Okay.
Let's see. Oh, we did that already. We did those already. Yeah, we did that already. Come on. Listen, it keeps going past those. Keep going past the ones we haven't. Wait. Now we did ice cream with ketchup. There you go. I'm gonna let him do this one. The baby food.
Baby food?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
So right here we have beef and gravy.
Yeah.
Gerber.
Eat
Yo,
food,
yeah.
baby food.
Gerber.
Eat food.
So
Didn't taste that good.
there's ketchup on here.
Ketchup.
Here. I'll give you a little bit. Just so you know, I used to eat stuff like this as a baby.
Okay.
Yeah, I told you. Wait, let me try it.
Stop cheating! You stop
I'm
cheating!
not.
I'm cheating right now? You're cheating!
This is what they give. All right, y'all, my bad.
Okay,
phone got the video
Okay.
got cut off. So
So I want to do the food first because
no, cause you just went and you didn't like the baby food. But let me say, if this is what they give to babies, this is evil, cause it tastes disgusting. However, we got one thing left, so we don't even have to spin the wheel, and that is ice cream and ketchup. And unfortunately,
wait, let's
that's
be
for
friends.
me.
Let's share.
Oh, you
You want to share?
that's so nice. You wanna share?
Yeah!
Oh, there y'all go. Ice cream and ketchup. Ice cream melted, but it's fine.
Good, it's pretty good.
That was disgusting. You think that was good?
Yes,
That
I won.
First of all, his taste buds ain't even developed the right way yet. That's why he think that ice cream and ketchup taste disgusting. Let me just tell y'all that. Anyway, hope y'all like this video. We're trying some new things. You know what I'm saying? Spice up the channel a little bit. It's gonna be me and TJ trying out these foods and whatever we feel like getting into that day. Okay? Hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe like TJ said. Until next time,
Peace out.
there you go.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread